Alright guys, so today I want to show you how to create a simple logo, free, very simple, free of charge. And you can always, when you create a logo, you can always sell them or help people to create their own logos, either for free or for business purposes. So we're going to use Namecheap.com to create a logo online, just on the internet. You don't need to download any software or anything. So to do that, let's just head over to Namecheap.com. So once you go to Namecheap.com, you can scroll down and then you go to their app section. So this is their promo section, domain, WordPress, hosting section, security section. So they offer all these services. So we'll head over to the apps section. So once you get to the app section, you can see they have logo maker, Supersonic, Namecheap VPN. So let's just go to logo maker. So you can see the price is free. So you can create your own free unique logo in minutes. So this is what you just head over and then click on get offer. So once you click on get offer, you're going to bring you to the logo maker page. So this is the page where you create your logo, and you can see the testimonial coming back. So let's go ahead and create a simple logo with a Namecheap logo app maker. So I'll just go ahead and then click on create logo. So okay, you can see to create a logo, just choose your logo design, select your favorite icons, then download your free logo. So let's go ahead and create a logo. Let's see how cool it's going to look like. So once you click on create your logo, it's going to take us to the interface where we'll begin to select our text, select the object, the design, and how we want our logo to look like, including the color, the texture, and then the feel. So you can see it says tell us about your business to get started. So I'm just going to say online monthly income. Okay, sorry, online monthly income. Let me see, let me cut that. Okay, your company name, sorry, I need subject should be something like that. So what's your type of business? I'm going to skip that. So I'll go to click on continue. So I'm going to choose, it's asking me to choose a style. Wow, let me go with something simple. Let me see. And then do I want a serious logo or a fresh font? So let me see, let's go with this again. And then so it's going to give you different options to choose from. So do I want it thin typeface, sophisticated, or something? You can see the descriptions for each logo. Let me still go with this. And then let's see again, do I want it playful, energetic, or accessible, or sophisticated, mature? I'll go with friendly here. Then do I want it let's organic? Let's see, let me still pick this. So this is the final stage, 6 out of 6. So do I want it no, let me go with this. I want it polished and trustworthy. So pick a color. I'm going to go with color. I love green a lot and I love blue, so I'm going to go with let's go with this blue. So company slogan, I'm going to say making money online. So let's leave it or let's say building a profitable business online. So let's leave it at that. So building a profitable business online. So let me change this to lowercase. Then lowercase. So I think this is okay. Building a profitable business online. So I'm going to click on continue. So once I click on continue, it's going to tell me to choose icon to represent my logo. So I'm going to see, let me pick. So you can actually pick from hundreds of, okay, it's not 100, so let's just pick one. Let me see, I'll go with this. Let me go with this. So and then I'm going to click on continue with one icon. So then it's going to take me to download my logo. Wow, it's so fast. Wow. So it's so fast. So it's going to give me options, variations of logo to choose from. So you can see this is without the slogan, this is with slogan. You can see many options. I love this. This is cool. This is cool. Yeah, so you can see. Let's see. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. So you have a lot of options to choose from. So let me just go ahead and pick one. So let me pick this. I'm going to pick this. Yeah, so you can see I can still come and edit the color, edit the text, the slogan, the icon, the layout, and then everything. So imagine, so now assuming I don't have a website registered for my domain, so I can get option to sign, to register my domain for a lesser price. They actually charge about $8.8 for a domain, but you get less charge on when you decide to register your domain for your business. You can see you also get to generate a business card, a t-shirt, and some other stuff. So let's see what's next. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think the next thing now is to download our logo. Yeah, sign up or log in to download. So you just go ahead. I don't want to start logging to my account now, so you just go ahead and then you download your logo. So this is how you create a simple logo, with Namecheap, using the Namecheap app, logo app maker. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.